everyone, in today's episode of ChieScienceFoTainment, I'll be demonstrating about matter. The materials required for this experiment are a balloon, it can be of any color, baking soda, one-third cup vinegar, and a plastic bottle. Take your balloon and your baking soda. Use a funnel-shaped equipment to keep the baking soda inside of the balloon. Take your plastic soda bottle and the 1/3 cup of vinegar and pour it to the bottle. You may even put more if you like. Now, take your balloon and tie it to the bottle's mouth. Now, put the position of the balloon in a vertical position so that the baking soda falls into the vinegar. Observe your results. The results are your bottle or your plastic soda bottle will have some fizzling bubbles in it, and the balloon inflates. There's a chemical change between the vinegar and the baking soda mixed. This happens because the vinegar is an acid and the baking soda is a base. The balloon inflates because the carbon dioxide gas being produced inside of the bottle. The starting materials were a liquid, the vinegar, and a solid, the baking soda. And one of the products from the reaction is in gas form. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.